Hi, this is Marcia Jeans, Instructional Technology Specialist, and today we're going to be learning about how to get started with Smart Notebook software. Today I'll be looking at Notebook 10.0, which is the latest version as of today with Smart Notebook software. I'm going to show you a few basics just to get you started. I always like to refer to Smart Notebook software as the meat and potatoes of a smart board. If you're not using Smart Notebook software, you're not seeing all the benefits to your smart board. I want you to kind of think of a Smart Notebook software like PowerPoint. When you open up a brand new file, it will be a blank page, kind of like opening up a brand new PowerPoint. And what you want to do with that is up to you. If you simply want to type directions, it's easy to do. You can just simply start typing on your keyboard. You can, after you're finished typing, click outside of your text box that was automatically created for you and drag your text to where you would like it to go. You'll notice that my text started off in red. That's because I have chosen that as a default on my computer. Let me show you how you can change the default. There should be a little icon on your toolbar that has an A on it. When you click on it, it has several different types of fonts. If I want to simply change a font very quickly, I can just click on that and then start typing again. So it's very easy to change your font. However, you may want to have a particular font that you use and a particular size that you use to be the default. Let me show you how you do that. Again, we're going to click on the A. We're going to select the very first font on the left, and then over on the right there is a place that we can go in and choose which font we'd like. So we're going to go over here to Line Style and Text Style. This is where you can change the color and the text. So I have red selected as my default, but maybe I want it to be blue, or maybe I want it to be black. When I finish doing that, I want to save the tool properties. Now let's go to Text Style. My default is Comic Sans MS at a size of 28. If I'd like to change that to something else, I could simply select it and change the size. Again, make sure you click Save Tool Properties. Now when I type, notice the default font has turned to what I have selected. One thing to keep in mind is after you're finished typing, if you have selected the A from the toolbar, you'll want to go back to the arrow to tell Smart Notebook that you're finished typing. Again, remember, you can move the objects around. Another thing that you can do, if you think the font size isn't exactly right, you can click on your object, and notice when you click on your object, you have three different things that pop up. You have a little white dot in the lower right hand corner. The white dot in Smart Notebook means that you can resize any of your objects very quickly and easily. The green dot is a rotation, so let's say that I want to have something rotated slightly. I can rotate it with the green dot. And then the third object that appears has several different options available to you, and we'll cover those at a later date. Now, let's say that I want to go back in and change something that I have typed in here. It's simple to do that. You just double click on the object and the editing box will appear. And I can go in here and change my text. When I'm finished, I simply click outside of the text box and then it snaps back into place. Simple as can be to type. Now, I'm going to add another page so I can go on to some additional directions for you. Let's say that you want to have students do a sorting activity, and you're going to have them sort, let's see, sort the words below into nouns and verbs. One thing that I really like about Smart Notebook 10.0 is it tells you when you have spelt something incorrectly. It's just like, Microsoft Word. You can see the underlined part. If I right-click on that, I can go in and choose the correct spelling, or I can just simply fix it right here. Alrighty, I'm going to move that over to the center, and I'm going to have that right there. Now, I'm going to just type some nouns and verbs. So let's do some simple things. Cat, pencil, run. Before I get too far, I want to kind of show you what the problem is with this. Notice when I click out of that, all of those objects move together. That's not really what I wanted to happen. I wanted those to be moved separately so that people could sort them into nouns and verbs. Let me show you a quick little way of doing that. I'm going to type the word cat. Notice the text box automatically appears. If I just simply click outside of the text box and type the next word and click out of there, and again I can move these around after I'm done, I can have those objects be able to move separately as opposed to one text box. So keep in mind what you want to do when you're finished with your typing. Do you want everything to be moved together or not? So I think I'll delete this because I don't want that. So it's really simple. You can click on an object and either click delete on your keyboard, or there's a red X up in the toolbar. More to come in our next video about working with typing and other things in Smart Notebook. Hope you enjoyed it.